Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome to my channel. I'm in my laundry room today and I wanted to show you what I purchased from the Fly Lady. I bought the big bundle pack as well as the control journal, and I think she had them on sale when I first placed the order. I have to tell you, I ordered it at the beginning of November and I just received it yesterday, which was the 17th of December. So it did take a little bit to get here, but it's finally here and I'm happy that I have it. So this is the control journal. She also sells this as a digital, but I wanted the paper copy. I like paper, I like books and whatnot, so that's why I decided to get this version. Because of copyright, I don't want to flip through it, but if you look at her channel, she has, or her website, as well as her YouTube channel, you can find a lot of this as, so you don't need to get this, is what I'm saying. And I think even she puts that in here. You can probably do this on your own, but since I'm starting out, it's been about a month or so that I've been doing the Fly Lady system. I just wanted to go ahead and get this. And not everything in here pertains to my particular situation. For example, we don't have kids that live at home, so the section where it says, in the zone, she breaks up. You can watch one of my other videos where I let you know how I broke up our house into zone cleaning areas. So I also use on my phone the app for the Fly Lady Plus, where I edited it to fit, again, my home zones and areas for each week as to how I want to clean it. But again, I got this because I like paper, and I think it will help me as I am starting this journey with the Fly Lady system. So let me go ahead and show you what came in the big bundle pack. Again, this was on sale. So one of the first things is this great big huge towel. I think it's a kitchen towel. So it has this texture here. I want to show you this waffle design that I've never seen before, really, in anything. So I've heard good things about the rags and the towels, so I figured, I would give it a try. And then I also bought, or I should say part of the bundle were these purple rags. I like this little mesh bag, or this big mesh bag, where they're kept in. And so there's 3 of them in that pack. And it does come with this cautionary note about washing and using the rags for the first time. Because of the dye, and it might bleed, to wash them alone in warm water with detergent in the washing machine or a bucket before using. So I will go ahead and do that. But again, these are also very nice and large. I have microfiber cloths, but nothing in, I've never had, don't have anything with this type of texture. It kind of reminds me of corduroy on this one side, and then it has this sturdy, shiny side here. So it's got that sturdiness to it. So looking forward to using these and see how they work. Then there's a 5-pack of these sponges. Also heard some good reviews on these. So it's got this more sturdy, like scrubby side, and then a soft side here. And I wanted to show you, this reminds me of a pack of sponges I had bought off of QVC a long time ago. And these are, you can see it's a long time ago, but they still work. I use them in the kitchen and in the bathroom. So kind of similar to how these were, but so these are well worn and well used. So looking forward to, using these and seeing how they work as well. Then let's see. Also have what's called here the Rubba swisher, which comes with so it's a toilet brush that comes with its own base here, and it's made of silicone. So this is what it looks like. So Rubba swisha. And we have hard water here, so I'm interested to see how well this does. And I know that the Fly Lady, as well as Diane in Denmark, they recommend putting in the, you know, even if you don't have this in your toilet brush base, putting in like leftover pieces of soap or a detergent or shampoo or things like that, so that when you go to scrub your toilet, you have that soap already in there and you're not necessarily using like the chemicals. And so, you know, if you use this every day, not necessarily this brush, but even if you have your own brush, and that's what I've been doing, and it seems to be keeping the hard water toilet ring at bay. So, so I'm interested to see again how this will work. You know, if it'll be sturdy enough for that. I'm not going to get rid of my other brushes, but I am interested to see it, you know, how this one will work. Especially since this one probably won't rust. You know, I've got one that I've had for quite some time, you know, and it has that bristle, you know, the hard bristle brush bristles, but it has that metal, so so having that water in there, it is making it rust a little bit. So going to see how this one does. And it comes with this nice big large container. And then we also have, they call this the Rubba scrubba, and it's this brush here, also with silicone, has like the hard edge here, nice long bristles, comes to like a tapered edge here. And I know on the video, one of her videos, the Fly Lady, I think it's Justin, he's using this to clean the stove. I'm thinking I may use this really for my cats' beds, their blankets, their tree, to get rid of the pet fur. I think this will be good for that. So that's my plan anyway for this. And we'll see how that works. If it doesn't work well, you know, for that, you know, I could always use it for something else. But looks like a nice little sturdy brush right there. So this again is called the Rubba Scrubba. Okay. Then the next item, I'm really interested in this. This is called the Fly Lady Microfiber Flex Duster. And I really like how long it is, and especially that it is flexible. So I can use this either like this, but the package came with a pole, you know, for the mop and the sweeper. So I can use this for, you know, hard to reach areas, for corners, for my ceiling fans. And I like this fiber. This is kind of like the fibers that I've shown you in these other cleaning products that I use. So this is this little duster with the handle. This is the mitt that I use for dusting. And then this is the one that I use for mirrors and glass. And I really like that fiber. So I know that this is going to work well because it's that same type of little dusty fingers. And I do like that, you know, I can, that it's flexible and long enough that if I want to use it for my ceiling fans, we have ceiling fans in quite a few rooms. So looking forward to that. And this does come, if you wanted to hang it like this, you can, but it also unscrews so that you can put the pole if you need to reach, you know, reach high locations. So that's that one. And then there's this, which is for the mop. So it has these fingers again for dusting. This will be nice for the baseboards. And I imagine I could probably also hook it on this way if I needed to mop that way. Now I have a steam mop that I use, as well as another mop that sprays. I usually put water and vinegar to clean the floors that way. But this, you know, to me, you can never have enough mop head, so to speak. So And then, let's see, then there's this. So this is the actual mop piece that has these big hooks here. And this was already attached. So it's this cloth here. And it came with two. So this was already on this mop head. And then this was in a package. It's the same exact one. So you can see, you know, what that looks like, I suppose. I don't know if you can use it reversible, you know, if it's reversible. And it also came with, where did it go? So there's like a little comb. So this, I don't know if this is, you know, maybe to get rid of, let's say cat fur or anything maybe that sticks on it. So it's got these two different comb sides. So maybe that one going this way, and then the smaller one maybe to remove any particles that might be on there. So again, that's that. And so again, this will also hook up onto this. And then this is the, I think this is the Rubba swisha is what they call it. So this is a broom, again with the silicone, so same type of silicone that's in the brush and the Rubba scrubba, but you know, it is bigger. So it has these large bristles here that you can see kind of taper. And on one side it has this edge, pardon me. So let's say you need to get into corners or at the edge where the floor meets a cabinet, you can get in there and, you know, get to that. So I'm looking forward to using this. So whether it's in the, you know, inside the house, but I'm also looking to see about maybe using it on our back patio and see how it works there as well. It is, the back patio is cement, so I don't know if that will wear this down or not. So I'm not sure if I will always use it outside. And then the last thing is the pole. So this will be for the, you know, for the broom, for the mop, pardon me, as well as for this flexible on tier. So it just, you know, this will just come undone. You can attach that there, you know, attach this here. I like that it has a nice comfy grip here. It also has where you can, you know, hook that up, let's say on a peg, and then it extends. You just unscrew this and then the pole here will come out and then retract. And I think it measures about 48 inches or so once it's fully extended. And I did check out to see if it will reach my ceiling fan, so it will. And it also reaches like some of the high corners of the windows. So that is about it. So again, this is the big bundle. So again, it's just an unboxing. It's not a review or anything like that. I'll let you know if you're interested in that, on my thoughts on the products, especially interested to see, you know, how this works with the hard water. These, if they're anything like those other sponges, I know will work well. Really interested in seeing how these rags will work. I think because of the sturdiness, I think I am going to like this better than those softer microfiber towels that usually just seem to like pick up dust and deposit dust. So this might be different. And then the kitchen towel with the swaffle texture. And this is sold separately, so the bundle pack is separate from the control journal, but that's my two items that I got from the Fly Lady system. So flylady.com. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you use any of these products, let me know what your thoughts of them are. And I know there's other products and bundles that she sells. There was one with a feather duster, but that one was sold out. So you know, so if you just maybe wanted to purchase one of these items, you can do that too. But the bundle was a good deal on sale at that time. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.